Hello and good morning or good afternoon or good evening whenever you are watching this program. I don't know what the time it is. So let's start. I'm writing today this program to tell you about how to import or how to get the date and time of the actual day in which you are present. For that you need to import date and time from date and time. You can give any name as a subname, as a nickname. I have given dt. You can give any name. So then we need to create a function time test, which will be testing what is the time or date. You can give any name to your function. I'm creating a variable dt1 to store the actual date and time, which will be helpful for me to print the date and time. After creating the function, I need to return that function so that I can call it outside the function. For that, I have written the return statement, and it returns the value stored in dt1. Then I can print the value that is stored in dt1, which will be today's date and time. Then I'm using print function to print my value. You can see the output is written 2021 8 and 25, which is the date which I am posting this video, and my time is 11 hours 12 minutes and 17.038369 seconds. Hope you have got my short video on how to extract today's date and time using Python. Thanks for watching. Do like and share my videos if you want more to make more such small videos on small modules.